To begin, just go to www.tinkercad.com and click on Sign Up to create a free account. I am currently logged in with the St. X Tech Club's existing account, and on the main screen you can see recent designs. To begin, I went to Create New Design. And once the page loads, you see a work plane here in the middle of the screen. You can use this little cube in the top left corner and move the plane around with your mouse. Or you can hold the mouse and just use the right button to click down on the right side and do the same thing by moving the mouse around. Get the plane where you want it and see things from different dimensions. The mouse's scroll wheel will zoom the plane in and out like this. You can get a closer look. And holding the left mouse key allows you to interact with objects on the screen. So over here on the right side of the screen, you see the default setting is basic shapes. And you can scroll through those to see the different basic shapes. You can also use the drop-down menu to click on text or symbols. I'm going to click on symbols, but it also has more advanced features like connectors and circuit assemblies. I was drawn to this question mark here, maybe because I'm a grammar nerd or maybe because this project required me to ask a lot of questions. But once you've decided on an image, you just simply click and drag it into the work plane. And the color of the image does not matter because the color that it will print is the color of the filament that's attached to the printer. In this work plane, I can pull and drag on this to manipulate it. And we'll show you sizes there. I'm going to hit the undo button. You can always go back and undo what you've done because I want to show you, I can manipulate this and stretch it out. But if I hit undo and go back to the very original one, I wanted to show that if you hold the shift button down on your keyboard and then drag it, it will maintain the original aspect ratio, which is probably a good idea for beginners. And then you can move around, zoom in and out, see how it will look from different directions, different angles. Okay. And once you have it the way you want, you'll go over to the top right and click on Export. And you want to choose everything in the design, or you could just do the selected shape if you want to omit certain things. But I'm going to choose everything in the design, and I'm going to choose to make it an STL file. And you'll see down here that it's preparing for export.